Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the your device is missing important security and quality fixes problem. And so for that we will begin with going to the troubleshoot settings first. So to do that, simply make a search here in the Windows search tab, type troubleshoot, and then you will get under best match the troubleshoot settings. So please make a click on that, and then you will be seeing this kind of window. So please proceed with other troubleshooters, and then you will get here under most frequent section the Windows Update option. So please make a click on this run button here, and then it will start diagnosing and detecting the problem. So it will also troubleshoot and fix for you automatically the problem with your device. So once you're done with this one, just close this window, and after the troubleshooting, just make a quick restart with your device. After doing that, we will be opening the system configuration. So please open the run window. In your keyboard, press the Windows R key altogether, and here we need to type msconfig. And then we will now be opening the system configuration window. All you need to do is just to go to the services tab, and then click on this hide all Microsoft services option, and then click on this disable all, and then we will now be enabling all of this here. Click on this enable all button, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. After doing that, just click restart. So after doing that procedure or method, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart, and then let me just exit without restart. So after doing that, again, make a quick restart and see if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we will be going with the last option, which is to go to the browser, and we will be downloading a software. So let me just quickly open my Google Chrome browser, and in the search tab, we need to type download Windows reset script error. For Windows 10. This one, download Windows reset script for Windows 10. Once you click on this one, please make sure that you click on the website that is from the manufacturer itself, which is Microsoft. So please make a click on that, and then all you need to do is just to select for the language. And then once you have done that, please make sure that you click on this download button here, and then once it is already downloaded, we can now install it right away. So please click on this download directory, and then once you do that, all you need to do is just to click on this reset Windows search box. Make a right click on that, click on this run with PowerShell option once downloaded, and it will start fixing now the problem for you. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device. See now if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe with our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.